Recently, the International Hockey Federation has extended the term of its president until May 2021. Who is the president of International Hockey Federation? Narendra Batra. Recently, which state has decided to suspend the majority of the labor laws for a period of 1,000 days or over 3 years to attract investment? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which organization has developed automated UV system to sanitize electronic gazette, papers and currency notes? Defense Research and Development Organization, which is called DRDO. After successfully tested which nuclear missiles every year, National Technology Day is celebrated on 11 May across India. Shakti 1. Recently, which insurance company has launched the standard health insurance policy named Arogya Sanjeevani Health Insurance Policy? State Bank of India General Insurance. Recently, the World Health Organization and the United Nations Postal Agency released a commemorative postage stamp on which number anniversaries of the eradication of smallpox. 40th. Eminent historian Harish Shankar Vasudevan has passed away recently. He was related to which state? West Bengal. Recently, which institute has developed first indigenous ELISA test kit for COVID-19? National Institute of Virology. Recently, which state government has formed a panel under ex-RBI Governor C. Rangarajan to improve the official position? Tamil Nadu. What is the name of the mission which has started by the Government of India to provide assistance to Eastern Indian Ocean region nations amid the coronavirus crisis? Mission Sagar. Recently, which country has named a street in Tel Aviv after celebrated Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore as a tribute on his 159th birthday? Israel. Recently, which airport has won a Skytrax award for best regional airport in India and Central Asia? Kempegodwa, Kempegodwa International Airport. Recently, who has launched the Central University of Odisha helpline Bharosa? Ramesh Pokhrial Nishank. Recently, which state government has launched the country's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana? Madhya Pradesh. Recently, who has been appointed by Google Cloud as its Vice President Engineering in India? Anil Bansali. Recently, who has assumed charge as Secretary in the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi. Every year, International Nurse Day is observed at the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale on which date? 12th May. Recently, Pranvayu program was launched in which city to create awareness about respiratory health? Bengaluru. Recently, which para-athlete has announced her retirement from the Paralympics game in order to serve as office bearer in the Paralympics Committee of India? Deepa Malik. Recently, Atal Pension Yojana has completed 5 years of its implementation on which date? 9 May. How much financial package was announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 12th May to deal with the coronavirus pandemic? 20 lakh crore. Recently, which state Sohrai Khovar painting was received the geographical indication? It means GI tag from the geographical indication registry. Jharkhand. Recently, which country has won the FIDE online Nations Cup title? China. Recently, who has become the first Indian to win Fed Cup Heart Award 2020 for Asia Oceania Zone? Sania Mirza. Recently, Duchess Well Freedom of Speech Award 2020 was announced. Which Indian journalist has won the Duchess Well Freedom of Speech Award? Siddharth Vardarajan, recently, who has been appointed the new chairman of the Central Board of Secondary Education. Manoj Ahuja, recently cyclist Remy Di Giorgio has been banned for 4 years of the International Cycling Union. He is related to which country? France. Recently, which country has successfully launched two satellites to test the space-based Internet of Things communication technology? China. What is the name of the former national table tennis champion who has passed away recently? Manmeet Singh Walia. FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup in India 2020 has been postponed to 2021 due to coronavirus pandemic. It will be organized in which country? India. What is the rank of the India in the Global Energy Transition Index in which is released by the World Economic Forum recently? 74th. Recently, how much amount of loan was sanctioned by the New Development Bank to India to fight COVID-19? $1 billion. Recently, which state government has launched the Hope HOPE portal to help unemployed youth to get job opportunities? Uttarakhand. Recently, which Indian boxer was reinducted into the disciplinary panel of a National Anti-Doping Agency, which means NADA? Akhil Kumar. Recently, TVS Group and which IIT jointly developed an automated respiratory assist device? Sundaram Ventago. IIT Madras. Recently, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Archaeological Survey of India? V. Vidyarthi. Vidyavathi. Recently, which country has developed I Feel You bracelet for social distancing? Italy. Italy. Recently the government has announced how much reduction in TDS TCS rate till March 31 to 2021. 25%. How much amount How much amount of assistance has been given to India by the US Center for Disease Control and Prevention recently? $3.6 million. Recently, which state has become the first state in India to regulate the cultivation of crops? Telangana. Recently, which state government has decided to confer the Karambir Medal on all policemen who have been served for 30 days in the fight against corona? Madhya Pradesh. Padma Bhushan recipient and Professor Anjuman has passed away recently. He was related to which country? Bangladesh. MoneyGram Panchayat system has tied up with which bank to offer a cost-effective direct-to-bank account credit option for consumer in India? Federal Bank. Recently, how much amount was approved by World Bank to India to accelerate COVID-19 social protection response program? $1 billion. Recently, which cricketer has been appointed by Pakistan Cricket Board, which means PCB, as new ODI captain? Babar Azam. Recently, which state government has launched the Matri Smriti scheme to utilize 50,000 acres of barren land in 6 districts? West Bengal. Recently, Slovenia has become the first nation in Europe to declare an official end to the COVID-19 pandemic. Where is the capital of Slovenia? Lazub, 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 Lazub Lazana. Recently, the government has announced how much amount to support micro food enterprises under Atmanirbhar Bharat economic package? 10,000 crore. Recently, how much loan agreement for a project has been signed by the Government of India, the Government of West Bengal, and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? 145 million US dollar. Recently, Ulrike Lunek has resigned amid mounting the criticism and disappointment with her performance in the coronavirus crisis. She was the culture minister of which country? Austria. Recently, Goal program has been launched by the Union Minister of Tribal Affairs, Sri Arjun Munda. What is the full form of Goal? Going online as leaders. Recently, how much amount was announced by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund? 15,000 crore. Veteran Bengali author Devesh Roy has passed away recently. He was awarded with the Sahitya Akademi Award for which of the novels? Tista Prayer Britanto. The International Day of Light is celebrated every year on which date? 16th May. In order to boost the immunity during the pandemic, Spirulina groundnut chickpea has been developed by the Central Food Technological Research Institute. Where is the Central Food Technological Research Institute situated? Mysore, Karnataka. Thank you.